Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Down. Okay, first of all, I need to another line. I already found something. Oh yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Why are you choking yourself?
I'm not.
Oh.
I'm short.
Don't do it for real, because we'll have to call the ambulance.
I know.
And then we'll have to go to the hospital. And we'll stay there all night, and then we're going to have breakfast at the hospital.
That'd be cool if you just had like a free tour at the hospital. You got to stay there overnight.
Do you want to go right now?
We can have a free tour?
I got a friend who works in the hospital. She could probably give us a tour of the hospital. Remember the time that we took you to the hospital?
Yeah.
What happened?
I hit the back of my head on the coffee table.
And did all the air get out?
On the air? In my head?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Did it?
I think so.
Wow.
Because when you hit your head, I heard. What?
You're recording me, aren't you?
No.
Looks like it.
No. Send a text message to Grandma.
Then why is this light on?
I don't see no light. It's probably because I'm sending a text message. It's still sending. The light comes on when it's sending. Did you cry when you hurt your head?
Yeah.
And then you were fine, right? We put you in the car and I calmed you down.
Yeah.
What did you just do? Did you like jerk your head like the Justin Bieber thing?
Yeah.
No. What did you do? You boogie?
You are recording me.
Whoa! Good God! How many teeth do you have, babe? So many teeth.
That I lost?
Oh, when the shark bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows start to spread.
One sec.
You know, I can play that song on the guitar too.
Oh.
Mac the Knife. It's an old gangster song. Not like woo-woo gangster, but forget about it gangster. You know what I mean?
Yeah.